So the question states, two particles A and B are in uniform circulation motion about a common center. The acceleration of particle A is 4.7 times that of particle B. Particle B takes 2.4 times as long for a rotation as particle A. The rotation of the radius of the motion of particle A to particle B is closest to what? So we are given the following. Particle A equals 4.7. Particle B takes about 2.4 and it's slower. So this is a rotation. I say particle A is, whereas particle B, I put B down here, is slower. Blue will represent slow. The longer lines means it's slower. Okay, so the given is we do RA, radius, RB times TB over T2, 4.7. So this way equals RA, RB times 2.4. So what we'll do is, we know that equals 2.4. The acceleration equals W to R. So we say R1, which is radius 1, divided by R2 equals 4.7 divided by 2.4 to the second. You will get, once you plugged it in, 0.816, which is closer to, and this is your answer.